I would have never thought that this front door entry planter would lead to my first sale on Etsy. All right, guys, this build's super simple. It's limited tools, your basic tools. So I've got 3 fence panels. These are cedar boards from a big box store. I've got a sander, tape measure, pencil, and I've got a pin nailer. And what I'm gonna also be using behind me, I've got my chop saw, just to speed up the process a little bit, but you can do this with a regular circular saw. So guys, these exterior boards, these fence panels, they're pretty rough. It's like a rough cut. So we're gonna sand it all down, get it to the nice smooth finish, and we'll do all that before we do any kind of cutting. All right, time to make our cuts. Woo! I got measurements here on my digital plans, just to give me just a quick reference cut list so I'm not making any mistakes. So I'm gonna cut these 2 boards. All right, we got most of our pieces cut, so let's start assembling. I always start with these 2 boards first. These are our little scab pieces to hold these boards together. And I'm just using a pin nailer. Hold that. Do the bottom side. Make sure you press down pretty hard, or press down so that way it's nice and flush. There we go. That's our back piece. So now we're going to do our sides. So it's 2 pieces on the side here. Do the other side. Good. Another piece here. And then we put our front pieces on. Square it all up. Alright, so we got pretty much the base of our planter. So last couple steps we got to get, so this can get pretty wobbly here. I don't know if you guys can catch that on camera. So I put a brace on the inside. You're not going to see it because you're going to have the flower bed material. The braces on the inside just to sturdy this up so it's not wobbling around. And the last piece, I always do just a verified dimension on the bottom. And just basically just measure this in here and fill it in with 2 panels. I'll show you guys how to do that. So let's do our braces. Got our braces. Let's lay this down and stick them in there. Just make sure you're just bridging these 2 pieces together. Just like that. Now there's no more wobble. Last step, we gotta infill this bottom. goes in there. Nice flush. Here it is. This is my first Etsy sale. If you guys want the plans, they're linked below. It's a lot of fun building it, super easy. I hope you guys enjoy it as well. Till then, happy building.